Thanks for trying out our reading lesson on Nearpod. Before you start, I'll show you a few tools just to make sure you know how to work it. If you see a button that looks like this, it means that I've recorded some directions for you to listen to. Make sure that you click anytime you see a symbol that looks like this. You'll use the arrows on the far right side of the screen to navigate through each of the slides. Sometimes there's a video that you need to watch before you should click on the arrow. When you get to a slide that looks like this, notice how the play button is up at the top. This means I've recorded a direction for you so that you don't have to read everything. When you want to answer, you can use the red recording button at the bottom. This way you don't have to write or type your answers either. This is how you listen to my directions, and this is how you respond. When you get to a slide that looks like this, notice that the play arrow is in the far left corner over here. This is how you listen to the directions. If you want this bar to go away, you'll need to click on this arrow to collapse the directions. That way you can see the whole page. Here's another example. Listen to the directions, then collapse the bar so that you can see the whole page. This is a drawing response. You can use any of the tools to help you as you make your response. If you want to draw something, you can choose the color of your pen and make a drawing. Maybe I'm picking this answer, or maybe I'm picking this answer. You could, on a drawing option, even upload a picture from Google. On this question, it's just asking you to choose which option. Oh, there's that direction bar again. Make sure you listen before you answer. And here's that drawing tool. Make sure you listen, and then you can add your own drawing or picture. You can even type labels using the text tool. Have fun with this one. I can't wait to see the drawings you come up with. On a slide like this, there is no audio recording to tell you what to do, but you should still collapse the box and know that this is actually a matching game. It wants you to match the beginning sounds to each picture. I think that's all I have. Good luck. If you have any issues at all, please reach out to me and let me know. This should not take you all day, so don't spend too much time on it. A lot of the questions have timers embedded onto them, so you may only have 1 or 2 minutes for each activity. Don't get frustrated. This is our first Nearpod lesson, and I can't wait to see how well you do. See you soon!